Serving others with a 5-star approach is the lifeblood of our business. So when we receive a glowing review, we love to share the news. We're honored when someone takes the time to write about their personal experience like this.
We're really motivated to hear we've made so many people happy. We work with everyone individually to reach our 5-star service goal. Our approach really is one experience at a time. It's that simple.
We love knowing the people we serve consider us the best company to do business with. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do.
So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Call us today and let us give you the same amazing service.